Hey, it's Craig from Utopia here again, and this week we have an exceptionally nice build lined up for you, the amazing Renegade, a fully water-cooled monster of a PC. But before getting a close look at the components that make up this system, let's get her into Windows. You might have noticed we've been away from our build tours for a couple of weeks, but we've not just been enjoying all that great weather we've been experiencing, we've been putting together plans for a new series of videos. We're going to continue with build tours, but we're going to add this new series alongside it, so watch this space. So back to the system. In front of us, our Renegade PC is built in the wonderful Inwin 909 chassis. This is our most luxurious system, so it is of course fitted with a quite frankly insane water cooling solution. We've completely tailored this system's look to suit our customers' needs, who wanted to see as much tubing as possible. PETG tubing is our tube of choice due to its durability and robustness, as well as its ability to show off any colour liquid. The Intel i9 7980XE CPU has been overclocked to 4.2 GHz over all 18 cores, and paired with that we have 32GB of XPG Spectrix memory. Powering this beast is a 1200 watt Corsair HX power supply, which we've used with fully custom cable mod power supply cables to fit with the black and red theme. For graphics we have two Nvidia GTX 1080 Ti's in SLI, which are both water cooled and overclocked, meaning it will make short work of even the most demanding 4K games and renders. In terms of radiators, we have one 240mm rad at the front, one 360mm rad at the back, making sure this system doesn't even hit 50 degrees under full load. All the components in this system have been installed in ASUS X299 ROG Rampage motherboard. Windows 10 has been installed on a 1TB NVMe SSD from Samsung, and for storage we have installed a 2TB Seagate BarraCuda drive. Now that we've had a close look at this system, let's run a stress test. Our complete series of stress tests can take up to 72 hours to complete. Full details of our extensive testing process can be found on the blog linked below. We've sped this portion of the video up to keep things interesting, but as you can see, this system is now ready to be carefully packaged and sent on to its new owner. It's worth noting that on the Renegade you will see I/O ports for accessories and monitors, which can be slightly blocked by the large reservoir. Don't worry though, all USBs and graphics card connections are easily accessible. That's all for this video, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. If you like this one, then go on, give it a like, feel free to comment, and of course hit that sub button for more videos from your favourite system builder, Utopia. Till next time.